Hello friends, so in this video you will watch top 20 under construction skyscraper in world. Number 20, Oxley Tower 1. The Oxley Tower 1 will be built in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. The expected height of this project is around 339 meters, which will consist of total 79 numbers of floor. The estimated completion date of Oxley Tower 1 is around 2021. Number 19. Skyfame Center Landmark Tower. The Skyfame Center Landmark Tower will be built in China. It will be 346 meters in height and it will consist of total 72 numbers of floor. The estimated completion date of Skyfame Tower is around 2022. Number 18. Huiyun Center. The Huiyun Center will be built in China, Shenzhen. The expected height of this project is around 347 meters, which will consist total 80 numbers of floor. The expected completion date of Huiyun Center is around 2022. Number 17. Primo Tower 1. The Primo Tower 1 will be built in UAE, Dubai. The expected height of this project is around 356 meters, which will consist total 88 numbers of floor. The expected completion date of this project is around 2021. Number 16. Greenland Group Suzhou Center. The Greenland Group Suzhou Center will be built in China, Suzhou. The expected height of this project will be around 358 meters and it will consist total 77 numbers of floor. The expected completion date of this center is 2020. Number 15. Viettin Bank Business Center Office Tower. The Viettin Bank Business Center Office Tower will be built in Vietnam. The expected height of this project is 363 meters, which will consist total 68 numbers of floor. The expected completion date of Viettin Bank is around 2021. Number 14. Coronation Square Tower 1. The Coronation Square Tower 1 will be built in Malaysia. The expected height of this project will be 370 meters and it will consist total 78 numbers of floor. The expected completion date of this project is around 2022. Number 13. Guiyang World Trade Center Landmark Tower. The Guiyang World Trade Center Landmark Tower will be built in China, Guiyang. The expected height of this project is around 380 meters and expected completion date is 2020. Number 12. Abu Dhabi Plaza. The Abu Dhabi Plaza will be built in Kazakhstan, Astana. The expected height of this project will be 382 meters and it will consist of total 78 numbers of floor. The expected completion of this project is around 2021. Number 11. One Tower. The One Tower will be built in Russia. It will be expected 405 meters in height and it will consist of total 108 numbers of floor. The expected completion date of this tower is around 2024. Number 10. Diamond Tower, Saudi Arabia, Jeddah. The Diamond Tower will be 432 meters in height and it will consist of total 93 numbers of floor. The expected completion date of Diamond Tower is around 2020. Number 9. River Plaza A1. The River Plaza A1 will be constructed in China, Wuhan. It will be estimated 436 meters in height, which will consist total 73 numbers of floor. Estimated completion date of this tower is around 2020. Number 8. One Bangkok. The One Bangkok will be built in Thailand, Bangkok. The estimated height of this project is around 436.1 meters and it will consist of total 92 numbers of floor. The estimated completion date of One Bangkok is around 2025. Number 7. Tinshan Gate of the World plots 27 and 28, which will be built in China. The estimated height of this project will be 450 meters, which will consist total 106 numbers of floor. The expected completion date of this project is around 2025. Number 6. Suzhou IFS. The Suzhou IFS will be built in China, Suzhou. It will be 452 meters in height when built and it will consist of total 92 numbers of floor. The estimated completion date of this project is around 2019. Number 5. Corporate Avenue 1. The Corporate Avenue 1 will be built in China. It will be 458 meters in height and it will consist of total 99 numbers of floor. The estimated completion date of this tower is around 2022. Number 4. Chengdu Greenland Tower. The Chengdu Greenland Tower will be built in China, Chengdu. This tower will be 468 meters in height and which will consist of total 101 numbers of floor. The expected completion date of this project is around 2021. Number 3. Central Park Tower. The Central Park Tower will be built in USA, New York. It will be 472 meters in height, which will consist 95 numbers of floor. This project is expected to be completed in 2020. Number 2. Evergrande IFC. The Evergrande IFC will be built in China. It will be 518 meters in height, which will consist total 12 number of floor. The expected completion date of this project is around 2021. Number 1. PNB 118. The PNB 118 will be built in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. It will be 666 meters in height, which will consist total 118 numbers of floor. This project is estimated to be completed in 2021.